Hey, it's Xavier, and today I'm standing in front of a very special build of the 2026 Mercedes GLC 300 Coupe. So the GLC is actually Mercedes' best-selling SUV worldwide, and the Coupe first debuted in 2016 as the sportier version of the GLC SUV. So it received a refresh a few years later, but in 2023, the Mercedes completely redesigned it from the ground up. So this second generation features, larger body, a more luxurious interior, the latest MBUX technology, and of course the beautiful ambient lighting Mercedes is known for. But what really makes this one stand out, its unique specifications. So one of my favorite parts of this build is the interior. So this one's finished in the AMG Power Red and black leather, and I think it's one of the boldest interiors you can get in the GLC Coupe. And we'll take a closer look in a moment. So from every angle, the GLC Coupe has a very athletic stance. You still get that practicality and higher driving position of an SUV, but with the sleek flowing roof line that gives it a much sportier look. Mercedes did an excellent job, balancing elegance with performance-inspired styling. I think it's one of the reasons this design has become so popular. On the outside, this one's finished in the manufacturer exclusive graphite gray Magno, which is Mercedes' premium matte paint finish. Also, this one features the AMG Line Appearance Package, which gives it much sportier appearance. It changes the grille and bumper, and the wheel fenders are also body color. And in finishing off the look, this one does have the optional 20-inch AMG Multispoke wheels in the black finish, which I think really complements the color along with the night package that you get. Again, you can see the window sills, instead of it having that traditional chrome look, it's blacked out. Here in this particular one is equipped with that little spoiler that you see there. Now, let me go ahead and show you the interior. Even though it does have that sportier look, you do have plenty of cargo room in it. So I just want to show you that. Just hit that button to close it. So even from the rear, angle, you can really appreciate how Mercedes sculpted the body lines. It just has a wide stance, muscular rear fenders, and is a design that's athletic. So I'm going to take a quick look inside, and you can see that Mercedes continues its signature blend of luxury and technology. So the cabin's clean and modern and driver focused. So it's going to mirror that of the S-Class here. Just want to show you the rear. So I'm going to go inside and sit down, and I'll show you the inside of it. Okay, so let me go ahead and start her up. And now that I'm inside, you can really appreciate, what makes this build so special. So this one is equipped with a Burmester surround system. So that's an upgrade. It also has the ventilated seats, which are an upgrade as well. Standard here, I'm going to show you the standard is just heated seats. This one does have the MBTEX Nappa Look on the dashboard. And here you can see the metal weave trim. All of those details come together to give the cabin a much more premium feel. And one of my favorite features, though, is these AMG Line Sport seats. They're designed with larger side bolsters to provide additional support while you're driving, but they're still incredibly comfortable for everyday use. Combined with the AMG Power Red and the black leather, they really give this GLC Coupe a sportier personality than you get with the standard interior. I do have this one available. If you have any questions, check out my video description. Again, I'm Xavier. Thank you for watching.